Hello all, welcome to session 18 of Selectors Hub training series. In this session, I am going to practically show you how Selectors Hub integrates with the right click options for generating the locators. So let's get started. First of all, let's launch the Chrome browser where Selectors Hub is already installed like this. Now let's browse the sample application URL, say flipkart.com. After you are taken to this flipkart.com, now let's click on the Selectors Hub icon. As you can see, by default, this context menu is turned off in our case, right? When it is turned off, guys, if I right click on any UI element, I'm not getting the selector sub option. The right click options, I'm not getting the selector sub option because here, this context menu is turned off. I have to turn it on. After you turn it on and just select any of these options, guys. For example, I will select relative XPath for now. Out of all these four options, I'm selecting only relative XPath. Now, if I right click again on this same icon, same UI element, this time I'm getting selector sub, but how many options are coming? Only one option, that is copy relative XPath is coming because here we selected the relative XPath. Now, if you also select this relative CSS selector, JS path and absolute XPath here, and again, if you right click here, and if you go to the selector sub right click option, and if you observe here, there are four options coming. Like this, you can customize the right click options, guys, okay? Based on this checkbox options and this disabling and enabling of this context menu, we'll get this right click option and options, okay? Fine. Now let's see whether these options are really working or not. Whatever the right click options you are getting for selector sub are really working or not, let's find out. For that, I'll right click on this pane icon, pane image, and go to selectors hub and select this copy relative XPath. Okay. Once you select that, go somewhere and paste it. You see, we got the XPath for this UI element. Okay. This is the XPath for this UI element, guys. So hope guys you understood how to use selectors hub right click options for generating the locators. So that's it, guys. See you in the next video session. Thank you. Bye.